Hey you guys, before we get started, let's cue the timer. Today's video is part 2 of last week's video, how to get a frizz-free twist out every single time. Okay, let's get started. A few things you'll need: some type of oil and a headband. So, I'm starting off with dry twists. I just took off my bonnet. You're going to take your oil and put it on your fingertips. This minimizes friction, which in turn decreases frizz. Now for the untwisting. I start at the bottom and give it a twirl in the opposite direction to release the twist. Next, I hold on to one of the strands and pull on the other and let it unravel on its own. Again, minimizing frizz. Let me show you one more time. Pull down on one strand and let it unravel on its own. I do this for each piece. Okay, let's speed this up. Now that it is completely unraveled, I go in and separate the pieces, being very careful not to create a lot of friction. Again, friction equals frizz. I do this to each section. The number of times you separate your twists is up to you and how full you want it to look. I like mine really full, so I do it several times. Just kind of feel. If the twist still feels a little thick, I'll go in and separate. Now that you've separated, you want to take your fingers and give it some body. You do this by pushing it up and shaking it. Next, I take the headband and I pull my hair up into a high pineapple. It's actually really cute, so if you want to wear it like this, you can too. But I do this to elongate and stretch out the curls. I leave it on for a few minutes. I usually go and do my makeup or something and then come back. Okay, makeup's done. Now, take the headband off, and you can already see that it's given it some life. It's just elongated. It looks like it's even fuller. Now we're just going to play with it and style it the way you want it. I like wearing bangs in the front. Sometimes I'll do a middle part, but usually the front is my go-to. As you're styling, you'll feel what needs to be pulled apart. So you can separate it, fluff it, move it, push it, just play with it. Really what we're trying to do is get enough body so that it looks really full. And there you have it. This is day 1 hair. Now I will admit day 2 and day 3 hair is my favorite. And the reason why is because every day it gets bigger and it looks fuller. Now I'm going to show you in the next video how to keep your twist out looking good for at least 3 to 4 days. But for now, that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you'd like to follow my natural hair journey, subscribe and follow me at Natural Mama Jax on Instagram. Later.